Hey guys, my name's Zane. I want to talk to you about the Panzer quick mount leather saddlebags for my 2021 Iron 883 by Viking Saddlebags. For starters, what sold me on these bags was the rigidity, being a hard shell leather wrapped saddlebag with a locking lid that also locks to the frame of the bike. This offers you the peace of mind knowing if you walk into a store or work or wherever you go, all of your things are going to be kept securely without the chance of them walking away. I love that the quality of the leather on these bags matches that of my Harley seat. The stitching and the attention to detail are incredible. What got me looking for saddlebags in the first place is I was tired of trying out different backpacks and different bag options. I needed something I could put my hat in, my riding gloves, my glasses. I can carry around a drink if I wanted to, and pick up whatever else I needed to throughout the day. I chose these bags in particular for the look mainly. They match my bike's matte black aesthetic and the OEM paint almost perfectly. Only being a medium, I was surprised on how much storage there was available in these bags. I was able to fit my vest, my water bottle, my hat, my glasses, and gloves all in one bag and have plenty of room for tools, another set of gloves, and other various items in the other bag at the same time. Another feature I was surprised by on these bags is it came with a pre-installed organizer in both bags. It has 3 pockets. It allows you to put gloves, glasses. I put some pliers. I was able to fit my suspension wrench inside of it. Along with the pre-installed organizer, it also came with a solar-powered battery bank and 2 LED lights that go inside of each bag that allow you to see at night and get whatever you need out with ease. Installing the mount for these bags was very simple. You just remove the factory suspension bolt and the accessory bolt and mount the bracket with the provided hardware and spacer if needed. Installing these bags or removing them from the mount couldn't be any easier. All you do is pull up on the string or push the pull tab on the quick release and slide it on or off of the mounting pegs. Another thing that I found while unboxing this product was the fact that the mount itself was powder coated and not just painted black. That allows it to take some road debris on the highway, some scuffs and dings, and still have a very good finish to it. Aside from these bags looking great while rolling down the road, they also perform very well. They have ample storage and they don't create any wind drag against my bike, slowing me down on the highway. With this good performance while riding and as many good key features these bags offer and ample space, and especially how good they look, I was expecting these bags to come in at a higher price range, but for right now you can get these bags for $420 plus shipping and tax. Overall, I'm more than satisfied with the look and everything about these bags from Viking Saddlebags.